Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to change your display on Robinhood account. So in order to do that, first open a preferred web browser or simply log into your Robinhood application on your preferred device. As soon as you open up the web browser, type in robinhood.com on the URL box and press enter. Also make sure that you're logged into your Robinhood account by entering your credentials. Once you are logged in, click on the account button at the top right hand corner and in the expanded pop-up, click on settings. Now, from the left hand side panel, click on app appearance. Right next to the theme option, click on the drop down and you can now select the display options from light, dark to market hours. Simply select one of your preference from the options and you'll be able to change your display on Robinhood. Pretty simple, isn't it? If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.